Hey everyone, so my teaching partner and I have gotten quite a few questions about this week's homework. I just kind of wanted to go over it with everybody, just for those that are asking. I think a lot of it is we're just overthinking a lot of the problems. So let's go ahead and look at just number one. I'm just gonna jump around on the page. So for the first one, and if you even want to show this to your student, we can work it out together on homework. So get out your homework, guys. So on number one, we have 9 times 7 equals blank times 9. So when we look at this, let's look at our equal sign. We have to make both sides of our equal sign the same, okay? So do we have a 9 on both sides? Yes, let's give it a check, okay? What other number do I have on my left side that I'm missing on my right side? Over here I have a 7. Over here I'm missing what? A 7. Are both sides equal? Now, do both sides have a 7? Yes, give it a check. Now let's make sure this makes sense. What is 9 times 7? If you don't know, you need to pause the video, solve it using one of your strategies, one of your ear strategies. You can do equal groups, arrays, repeated addition. We can go ahead, let's do repeated addition. So how many spaces am I gonna have? Let's do 9 times 7. Okay, how many spaces? All right, let's do 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm doing repeated what? Addition. If I have 9 groups, what number am I repeating? Because we're doing repeated addition. I already used my 9, so what number is left? 7. So I'm going to plug my 7 in. I have my spaces. I'm doing repeated addition. My spaces are filled in. What do we do now, guys? Partner them up. 7 plus 7. If you don't know, grab your 7, count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. This 7 doesn't have a partner, so am I going to just chop it off and forget about it? No, I'm going to drop it down. Fill in my plus signs. I'm doing repeated addition still. I've got to partner them up. Drop my 7. I'm not chopping it. I'm dropping it. 14 plus 14. I don't have 14 fingers, so I can't count that up on my hands. I'm going to go to the side and stack and add. 14 plus 14. What is 4 plus 4? 8. Drop it in your ones place. Move to your tens place. What is 1 plus 1? 2. So 14 plus 14 is 28. Fill it in. Drop your 7. Partner them up. 28 plus 28. Do I have 28 fingers? No. So what are we going to do? Stack and add. Move to the side. 28 plus 28. All right, 8 plus 8. If you don't know it, count on your hands. Carry your 1. We're going to regroup and drop your 6. Now look at your tens place. What is 2 plus 1? 3. What's 3 plus 2? 5. All right, 28 plus 28 is 56. But look at this number. What do I have to do over here? Am I going to chop this 7? Nope, I've got to drop it down. Now I have, all right, 56 plus 7. We have 7 fingers, so grab your 56, count up 7. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So 9 times 7 is 63. If 9 times 7 is 63, what is 7 times 9? 63. What did we just do? We just checked our answer. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the problems, guys. I'm only going to go through a few, but this is showing you how to do it. Yes, we went through and we checked our answer, but make sure that both sides of your equal sign is the same. We just proved why that's right. All right, let's take a look at another one. Okay, skip down. Right below number 1, go to number 3. We're going to find the value of n. So n equals what? We don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's go ahead and write out our equation. We have 3 times, then we have parentheses. Inside our parentheses, we have 8 times n plus 3 times 8 times 5. Now we're going to take a shortcut. We're going to make this super easy. We're not going to make it hard on ourselves, okay? Let's make both sides of our equal sign the same. So let's start checking stuff off. On both sides, oh, this is supposed to be equal sign. On both sides of my equal sign, is there a 3? Yes, give it a check on your paper. I should see where you have a check on your paper. Next, let's move. Do we have an 8 on both sides? Yes. All right, do I have a number over here that's not over here? Go ahead and take a look at those equations on both sides of my equal sign. What do I have over here that I'm missing over here? We have 3s, we have 8s, but we're missing a 5. So what do we need over here to make them the same? A 5. Now they're the same, so n equals 5. Make sure you have that. Make sure you have your check marks on everything. Now we're going to go to number 4, guys. On number 4, we're using the distributive property. We're on number 4. Using the distributive property, we have 5 times 12. Now, we haven't learned all the way up to our 12s yet, okay? So we're going to break it up and make it super easy on ourselves. But first, I have to figure out what goes in this blank, okay? So let's, first of all, we're doing BK, okay? My kids, you know what that means, okay? We're doing Burger King. We've got to figure out what number are we breaking up and what number are we keeping. So let's look at this equation. Let's find which one stayed the same, okay? Which one are we keeping? Let's see, is there 12 on both of these? Nope. Is there a 5 in all 3 of them? Yes. So what number are we keeping? 5. Label it. This is the number we're keeping. So if we're keeping the 5, that means we're breaking up the 12. Okay? We're keeping our 5. We broke up our 12 into 6 and another number. So we have 12. We broke it up into 6. 6 plus what equals 12? That's the same thing if you need to see it another way. 6 plus what equals 12? If you don't know, grab your 6 and count up. If you can't do it in your head, grab it. Count it with your fingers. Do it with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, how many fingers am I holding up? 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. We're breaking up this 12 into 6. And what other number did we have? 6. So fill it into your blank. Okay, label it. Label the numbers that you broke and the numbers that you kept. All right, let's see. What's another one that we could do that's different from the ones we've already done? Because I've already helped you on a few, and I'm not going to do all of them. Use the ones that I helped you on to help you solve the other problems. All right, let's look at number 5. Write an expression that is equal to 6 times 8 times 11. Okay? So right here, 8 times 11 is what? 88. 8 looks in 2 mirrors and sees what number? 2 8s, okay? 88. So we have 6 times 88. We're not solving 6 times 88. That is too many spaces. That's too many circles, too many dots. We're not doing that, guys. We're just writing an equation that is equal to this. What's that property called? We call it the flip-flop property. Okay, that's its nickname, but what's the official, what's the fancy name of it? The commutative property, okay? So if we're flip-flopping, if I flip-flop those factors, I have 88 times 6. So is that true or false? Did I do that correctly? Let's check. 6 times 88 is equal to 88 times 6. Let's check. Are both sides equal? Do I have a 6 on both sides? Yes. Do I have an 88 on both sides? Yes. Okay. So this expression is equal to this one. I'm going to do one more with y'all. I think there's just one more equation that's different from the ones we've already done. Go ahead and take a look at number 7. Okay, so we have 6 times, then we have our parentheses. Let's look at what's in our parentheses. Our first number is 3. 3 groups of 2. Now, who remembers what we saw first? We say it like we're in Italy, okay? We're Italians right now. What do I saw first? What is in the parentheses? All right, what's in my parentheses? 3 times 2, that's the same thing as 3 what? 3 groups of 2. We've already done repeated addition. We already practiced that. Let's practice our equal groups. So again, how many groups? 3 groups. 3 groups of, how many is in each group? I already used my 3. How many is in each group? 2. So put 2 dots in each one. Now let's skip count. 2, 4, 6. So what is 3 times 2? 6. Make sure you have that. Get it before I erase it. So now I solved 3 times 2 is 6. But is that my answer? Am I done now? Take a look at it. What do I have to drop down? I still have this 6 times. So drop that down too. Now I have 6 times 6. You can do that. Let's do equal groups. 6 groups of 6. Okay, if I have 6 and I add 6, I'm at 12. Okay, grab your 12, count up 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Grab your 18, count up 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Grab it, count up. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Grab your 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So, 6 groups of 6 is how many total? We just counted 36. Make sure you have that on, what number was that? Number 7. Okay, make sure you have that. Solve it all out. That should help y'all on the majority of these problems. I think we did about half of the problems maybe. You should be able to use the ones that we did and solve the other ones. Parents, if there are any other problems that y'all need help with, just let me know.